Somewhere in a YouTube comment section right now, someone is describing exactly the product they wish existed. They're not filing a feature request. They're not on your waitlist. They're just venting into the void, and the void is publicly accessible via API. Most product teams pay 5 figures a year for research platforms that do surveys. Surveys people don't finish on problems people don't actually have. YouTube comments are unfiltered pain. Nobody is performing for a researcher. They're just annoyed or excited or asking a question nobody answered. The workflow has 3 steps. Pull comments from target channels, run them through an LLM to tag pain points and requests, then push clusters into a doc you can actually act on. You need a YouTube Data API key, free, 500 units of quota per project per day, a way to call an LLM, and something to store structured output. Don't start with your own channel. Start with the biggest channel in your niche that isn't a competitor: tutorials, reviews, comparison videos. Comments on tutorial videos are gold. That's where people hit the wall, ask why it doesn't work, and describe the exact variation the video didn't cover. The YouTube Data API Comment Threads List endpoint gives you top-level comments and reply counts. Pass a video id, set max results to 100, paginate with the next page token. Sort by relevance, not time. The API's relevance ranking roughly surfaces comments with the most replies, which are almost always the ones where something went wrong. Feed batches of 20 comments into an LLM with a structured prompt. Ask it to return a JSON array with 4 fields: category, pain point, implied request, signal strength. The implied request field is where the product idea lives, not what they said, what they were asking for without knowing how to ask for it. Run the same pipeline across 20 videos and you'll have 2,000 classified comments. Now you embed the pain point text and cluster by cosine-similarity. You don't need a vector database for this. A Sclern k-means run on a flat number array handles 2,000 rows in seconds on a laptop. Each cluster is a repeated frustration. Give each cluster a label by asking the LLM to summarize the 5 most representative comments in it. Set this on a weekly cron with N8N or a GitHub Actions workflow. New videos from your target channels, new comments, same pipeline. Your research backlog fills itself. 2,000 comments classified in batches of 20 is 100 LLM calls. At GPT-4o mini pricing, that's somewhere under 50 cents for a full week of research. Here's what this pipeline won't tell you: whether anyone will pay. A repeated complaint is evidence of pain. It is not a market size or a willingness to pay signal. The loudest clusters are often the cheapest features: UI polish, dark mode, better error messages. The smaller, quieter clusters are usually where the money is. You don't need a research budget. You need to stop ignoring the data that your competitors' audiences have already filed, for free, in public, under every video they've ever uploaded. This has been Runtime. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.